Hi children, hope that all are safe and healthy at home. Today we are going to discuss about the topic of roughage. Yeah children, do you know what is meant by roughage? Daily we are going to eat food, right? We are going to have some of the fresh vegetables, fruits, salads, and this food does not get digested by the body. This undigested food is called roughage and it is also known as fiber. They do not provide any set of nutrients like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals in our body. But it plays very important role in maintaining the healthy diet. It mainly provided by the plant products in our food itself. Yeah children, let me have some of the examples like oats, chia seeds, soya beans, pulses, potatoes, skin of fruits like figs, plums, and some of the vegetables contains fibers. Let me move to the topic of water. Does our body requires water children? Definitely yes. Without drinking water, whatever the food we are going to eat daily will not get digested properly. To stay healthy, our body also needs sufficient amount of water. The water is mainly supposed to help to digest our food and also remove the waste from the body. Here children, it is also mainly supposed to absorb the nutrients in our body itself. Water helps to maintain the constant temperature in the body and also it makes 70% of body weight. Here children, some water is lost from the body in the form of sweat or in the form of urine. Daily we must drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water to be healthy. Yeah children, many of the food materials contains water. Let me have some of the examples like here if you see, if you are going to squeeze a lemon, you can observe that some amount of water can be present in lemon itself. And one more example like tomato, if you are going to squeeze tomato, you can observe that some amount of water is contained in the tomato itself. That means whatever the food we are eating daily are supposed to have some kind of water substance. Means whatever we are eating daily, we are going to have some kind of water in our body. Yeah children, this is the reason why we are supposed to drink water daily. Without drinking water, our body will get dehydrated and we will become sick. So compulsory daily you should have water. Without drinking water, you cannot survive. Yes children, let me move to the topic of complete food children. Milk contains all the sets of nutrients like proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals. So that milk is called as complete food. Yes children, if you drink milk only, you will be energetic daily. So every day, please drink milk. Do you know children, milk gives you a lots of energy and it makes you strong enough. Where we get from milk? We are going to get milk from cow, buffalo, goat. And also so far we have learned about food and how we are going to get the nutrients from, how we are supposed to develop our energy. But is it necessary children to have all the equal amounts of nutrients in our body? Definitely yes. If you want to be strong, what we should have? We should eat all the nutrients and we should have roughage and also we should have some kind of a water to have a balanced diet. What is balanced diet children? The food we eat normally in a day is known as a diet. A diet that contains proper amount of nutrients, roughage, water required for the good health is called as a balanced diet. Yeah children, for good health and proper growth, it is very important to have balanced diet. This is the reason why daily we are going to have breakfast, lunch, dinner. Yeah children, it is very necessary to have milk daily. Why? Because I already said you that milk gives us a complete food. Means you are going to have proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals in milk. And also you should have at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. and it is very necessary to have at least one fruit per day. That's it for today, children. Today I have explained about roughage, water, complete food, balanced diet. Hope that everyone understood the topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.